Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Beast of Reincarnation game not launching or not opening, won't start error on PC. So let's find the solutions. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements of the game. These are all the required specs to play the game hassle-free on your system. So make sure your PC have all the required specs and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, in the launch option, you have to type -dx11 and then check if the game is launching or not. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game from the installation folder. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game exe file and double click on it and then check if the game is launching or opening or not. If this doesn't work, you should run the game as administrator. So for that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility. Here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again. This time select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatic lift drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If you are updating your graphics card from website, just open it and after that you will get a download option over here. Click on download and the latest graphics cards will be downloaded, or if it requires update it, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings. Now here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder. You have to select the application from here and after selecting the application, add it to the list. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to reset resolution through configuration file. So when your monitor does not support the resolution of the game, then such kind of issue occurs. So you should force it to into windowed mode. For that, you have to search for local app data folder or simply go through the path. And after that, you have to open the game user settings.ini file using notepad. After that, look for the lines full screen mode equals and last confirm full screen mode equals. Here you have to change their values to 2. This denotes windowed mode. At last, save the file and then launch the game, and after that check if it's working now. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issues. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player, Riva Tuna or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. Now click on Windows Update and here you have to click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version. Wait for some time and after your Windows is up to date, now try to launch the game and check. Next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, go below, click on downloads. After that, go below. Here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. you will need to log into Steam again, confirm it, and after confirming it, you have to log into Steam once again, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it. Once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So simply click on repair, click on yes. Now wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to increase virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings. After it opens, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Here under general you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Now launch the game and check if it's working. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the image over here. Next method is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you're having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So for that, first you have to go to the search option, search for Windows security. Here you have to click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings. After that, here you have to turn off real-time protection. Now after turning off real-time protection, close this, again go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Here click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Then click on OK, and after that launch the game and check. But later on come back and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next is to install game on SSD. This is also an important step. So you should check whether the game is installed on SSD or not. If not, then you can suffer from crashing or several other issues. So you must check it. For that, go to the Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, here you have to click on storage, and here you have to check whether the game is installed on SSD or on other drive. If it's installed on another drive, then you have to select it, and after selecting it, click on move option and move the game to SSD. After that, install it and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game and click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Beast of Reincarnation game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Beast of Reincarnation, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or working or not.